kids, gloving up here. Your buddy old Poppa here, Big Poppa, and we're gonna have some fun. I think a lot of fun. What we're starting with here is corn dog batter. And I'm making a double batch because I'm gonna go crazy with corn dogs. Here we go, we've got a cup and a third of flour. 2 cups of milk. 2 packages of cornbread mix. 4 tablespoons cornstarch. We're almost done. 2 eggs. And 4 tablespoons of honey. Woohoo! Local hive honey, here we go. 3, and 1 more. You know, honey's such a great deal. I mean, it's just a great flavor and everything, but you know it has no shelf life. It'll last forever. If it crystallizes, just heat it up. We're gonna mix this up. We don't wanna make it too smooth, but let's mix it all up. Get that pesky egg there. Spread it around. We don't mind if it has just a little bit of lumps. If it looks a little too thick for you, we'll add some milk. And I think we're gonna add a little milk because I might have lost some in the translation here. Is that right? Okay, our corn dog batter is done. Back at you with our prep. Okay, well I showed you how to make the cornbread dough. The corn dog dough, which is really fun. And now I'm going to tell you what we're doing. Downtown Disney now has a stuffed jalapeno with cream cheese in it, and they bread it in corn dog batter and then roll it in panko. I can't think of anything better than that, so I'm going to do that. But I'm going to make a couple changes because you know it's me. So first of all, we got some cream cheese at room temperature. We got about 3 or 4 slices of bacon. We're gonna blend it up. The softer you can get this cream cheese, the easier the job is. And I may even sacrifice some gloves to get the hands kneading it. Mix that up really good. But there's something missing, you say. I say yes, there's a lot missing. All these spices and herbs and salt. I need to put some Big Poppa rub in there. Competition stash. It's gonna give it some of that barbecue flavor, some character. It's gonna make the cream cheese a lot more interesting. Now we're gonna nuke this for about 25 seconds. Okay. Stirs up nice now. Okay, we're gonna set those aside. We have some jalapenos and some yellow peppers. Cut this off and save it. Go in here, I'm using a little cheese knife to get rid of the seeds and the core. Now, if you're serving people that love really hot food, don't worry about it. Just don't even do anything actually. Open the top, leave those seeds in those tines, but I have a little more sensitive group. So I'm going to get it just like that. Now we're gonna do the same little spoon. And these are big enough that I can put 2 little smokies in them. See that? Little sausages. Come back here on top of it. Fill it up nice and good. Now we saved the top. Put the top back on. First one down. Let's do a jalapeno. Preload. A little smoky. Put the hat back on. There we go, we got a jalapeno done. Okay, I'll come back to you when I've got them all done, and then we'll get ready to go outside. Okay, here comes the fun, kids. Oil hot. Get that batter on there good. Well, they don't look as good as Disneyland, but it's my first time.